Oahu Real Estate Market Update for October 2024. In this video, I'll discuss the latest stats for the Oahu real estate market. Welcome back to Living in Honolulu, Hawaii. If you're new here, my name's Duke. I'm a real estate broker based in Honolulu, and on this channel, we explore real estate tips and strategies that help you better decisions about buying, selling, or investing. First, I'll cover the market stats for single-family homes and condos. Then, I'll share the local market info for each neighborhood. Before we dive in, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. If you have any questions about real estate, reach out to me. My contact info is in the description below. For single-family homes, closed sales year-to-date were 2,101 homes sold, a 6% increase from 2023. For condos, closed sales are down 6% to 3,390 homes sold compared to last year. The single-family home median sales price in September was $1.1 million, which is a 5% increase compared to 2023. Condos are at $510,000, a 1% increase from last year. Single-family homes are now spending a median of 18 days on the market, 18% lower than last year, while condos are spending a median of 29 days, which is 45% higher than last year. New listings are currently at 2,959 single-family homes this month, which is a 14% increase compared to last year. For condos, new listings are now 5,633 condos this month, which is an 18% increase from last year. New listings for both single-family homes and condos have been increasing since December. For single-family homes, pending sales rose to 2,312 homes, 3% higher than last year. On the condo side, pending sales are at 3,644 homes in escrow, 4% lower than last year. Months of inventory for single-family homes has increased to 3.4 months, 26% higher than last year. Condo months of inventory also increased to 5.2 months, 73% higher than last year. Overall, supply continues to be on an uptrend. The number of active listings for single-family homes is now at 755 homes, a 27% increase year-on-year. For condos, active listings increased to 1,887, a 50% increase year-on-year. Both single-family homes and condo active inventory has been increasing since December. The percentage of list price received is now 99% for single-family homes and 98% for condos. Single-family home sales were highest in the $1 million to $1.5 million price range, making up 40% of total closed sales. 99% of single-family home sales received full list price or more. Condos between $400,000 and $500,000 accounted for 20% of sales, which was the highest share of any price bracket. 98% of condos sold at list price or higher, which is 1% lower than last year. The Oahu real estate market remains strong, with single-family home sales up 6% year-to-date, and median prices rising to $1.1 million, a 5% increase. While condo sales dipped 6%, inventory is up, offering more options for buyers. Most properties continue to sell at or above list price, making it a competitive market despite the growing supply. Now, let's look at the numbers for each neighborhood on Oahu year-to-date. Aina Haina-Kuliouou single-family home median price is now $1.95 million and is based on 52 closed sales. Days on market are now 17. For Moana Kakaako, most of the inventory consists of condos. The median condo price is now $750,000, which is 8% higher than last year. Days on market are 53 days. For downtown Nuuanu, the median single-family home price is now $1.2 million. Days on market are 14 days. Condo prices are now $570,000, and days on market are 29 days. For the Ewa Plain, the single-family home median price is now at $892,000. Days on market are 22 days. For condos, prices are now $690,000, 2% higher than last year. Days on market are 25 days. For Hawaii, single-family home prices increased to $1.7 million, which is 16% higher than last year. Days on market are 15 days. For condos, prices have decreased by 4% compared to last year, which is at $815,000 and 13 days on the market. For Kailua, Waimanalo, single-family home median price is now $1.7 million, which is 4% higher than last year. Days on market are 14 days. For condos, the median price is now $790,000, and days on market are 16. In Kalihi, Palama, single-family home prices are now $925,000, 3% higher than last year. Days on market are 20 days. On the condo side, median price is at 400,000 and days on market are 37 days. For Kaneohe, the single-family home median price is now 1.2 million, 4% higher than last year. Days on market are 14 days. For condos, the median price is now 700,000 and days on market are 17 days. For Kapahulu Diamond Head, the median single-family home price is 1.4 million and days on market are 16. For condos, the median price has decreased to 670,000, 25% lower than last year. Days on market are 16. For Makaha, Nanakuli, the median single-family home price is 665,000 and days on market are 34 days. Condo median price increased to 250,000 and days on market are 45 days. For Makakilo, the median single-family home price is 1 million and days on market are 23. For condos, the median price is 570,000, 3% higher than last year. Days on market are 29. For Waikiki, Moiliili, the median single-family home price is 1.6 million, 8% higher than last year. Days on market are 19 days. For condos, the median price is at 400,000 and days on market are 31. The Mililani median single-family home price is now 1.08 million and days on market are 14 days. For condos, median price is at 515,000 and days on market are 24. The Moanalua Salt Lake median single-family home price is at 1.2 million, 3% lower than last year, while days on market are 14. For condos, the median price is now 430,000 and days on market are 27. For the North Shore, the median single-family home price is at 1.5 million and days on market are 23. For condos, the median price is 1 million and days on market are 13. For Pro City Aiea, the median single-family home price is now 1.1 million, 10% higher than last year. Days on market are 13. For condos, the median price is 472,000 and days on market are 25. For Wahiawa, the median single-family home price is 825,000, days on market are 15. For condos, the median price increased to 347,000, which is 6% higher than last year, and days on market are 24. The Waialae Kahala median single-family home price is 2.4 million, and days on market are 28. For condos, the median price is 630,000, and days on market are 38. For Waikiki condos, the median price is now 435,000, and days on market are 35. For Waipahu, the median single-family home price is 950,000, which is 4% higher than last year. Days on market are 16. For condos, the median price is 515,000, and days on market are 19. For the Windward Coast, the median single-family home price is 1 million, 17% lower than last year. Days on market is 41. For condos, the median price is 355,000, and days on market are 16. Since January 2020, median household income in the US has increased by about 29%, while the income needed to afford a median price home has surged by almost 87%. The pandemic led to a surge in housing demand due to low interest rates, government stimulus, and remote work, while housing supply couldn't keep up. As a result, US home prices jumped by 53.4% since January 2020, and mortgage rates more than doubled, causing a rapid decline in affordability. To improve housing affordability, experts suggest allowing time for incomes to rise, making careful fiscal decisions, and avoiding demand-boosting subsidies that could worsen the situation. Let me know in the comments below what you think about housing affordability. Alright guys, that's it for this month's market update. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, click the subscribe button, and the notification bell next to that. If you're ready to take the next step in making Oahu your home, reach out. Thank you so much for watching.